Well, we've got a big job coming up here. And a few boards of Sapele, some construction 4x2s and 3x2s, and a few sheets of Birch Ply, 11 in total. So this job's going to be split in quite a large bedroom, which is some sort of 6 meters by 4 meters size, into two smaller sort of double bedrooms. And how we're going to achieve that is that through the existing doorway here, we're going to a small entranceway where you can sort of turn right and turn left into these two separate bedrooms. And instead of putting a stud wall down there, we're going to make a set of double wardrobes. So it's a wardrobe centre. The doors will be sort of railer style, so there'll be double doors there for a wardrobe, single wardrobes that'll have shelves in, and then some cupboards up top for storage. And inside it'll look something like this. I've done a few cutlass sheets for the ply. We're going to make the panels and the like, and the wardrobes are going to be made in sort of a 3-box format. So one for the double wardrobe, one for the single with the shelves, and one for the top cupboard. And then we'll 2 lots of them, fasten them together side by side, one facing one way, the other facing the other way, and then that'll create these wardrobes. Let's see how we get on. I'm cutting the long panels square. I'm using the track saw on my homemade MFT, and to make sure they're all a consistent length, I've put a stop at the end. So you'll just see here a bit of a Heath Robinson, bit of some sort of 2v1, couple of G clamps, and a stop there, and it just makes everything come out consistent. Because the wardrobes are so large, I'm going to have to assemble them actually in the room, which is up a couple of flights of stairs. So I've got these Festool knockdown fittings that you use in conjunction with the domino jointer, and these are going to be a mechanical fixing along with some normal Birch domino dowels. How you use these is that you cut the domino holes as per usual with the machine, and then you assemble these pieces that fit into it. The sort of metal end, I can twist it now, springs out and grips the sides, and then you screw a post into it, and then the other piece you go through a hole through the side, and which is held together with a plastic gripper, and then we're using the little grub screw. It grabs all the posts and pulls it tight. To actually cut the holes to put through the face, you've got this comes with this jig and this cutter. All pretty straightforward, as you'll see in a minute.
As you'll see here, I'm using the little stops that are on the domino for the location of the mortises. I've also added the extension wings as well. Once the mortises are machined, just insert this this drill jig and drill through the side. Then it's add the various components. The round metal bit which holds the grub screw. Then the plastic clips out brace that round metal bit. Finally just the grub screws, putting them in loosely. Now cutting the mortises on the other panels. Then add the other sides of the knockdown fittings. These are the metal expanding contraptions with the posts. Time for a test fit. They do pull them very tight, makes quite a nice joint, to be honest. Well, this is the top box. There's two of these, and then there's two double wardrobes and two single wardrobes. So that's 6 boxes in total to assemble. On all the plywood panels, I've edge banded one edge with some pine. And drilled shelf pin holes using this Veritas jig. Here's some stills of the single wardrobe and the top box with its partitioning.